Bounce the ball. Get the red ball. Yay! I'm not quite sure what that jig was, but he does it every time he throws the ball. Okay, throw the ball. Yay! Get your ball, Pumpkin. Oh, careful, it's under the chair. Easy does it. Say help. Mommy is saving the day. Okay. Yeah! Whoa! Goodness. Your orange ball, yeah! Good throw. He could play with balls all day. Link, that was good. Here it comes. Yay!
Yes.
Yes. Yes. He says yes.
Yes.
Yes. And Dada. Lincoln, can you say Dada? What? Can you say Dada? What do you see out there? Should we check it out? What do you see? Well, I don't see anything exciting. Just someone who wants to go out there. Okay, today is June 2nd. Lincoln is almost 14 months old. In about 2 weeks. Can you say yes? He says, no, I want to go outside, lady. Oh, no, we don't whine, we say help. Can you say help? Help. Or, Mom, can you please open the door so I can play outside, but I'll need my shoes and my jacket first? That would work too.